Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoy the presentation. Tonight we're in Russia. On tonight's menu, beef stroganoff 1871. The morning mise en place. Just after prep, everything represented. Getting ready to season the beef. The beef with the seasoning. The beef all mixed up. And this is several hours before cooking. Mise en place, second time around. Melting some butter and heating it up in a saute pan. Add the beef. Continuing to cook the beef to brown. Remove the beef and set aside. Add more butter. Add some flour to make a roux. Add the stock. Then add the black pepper and mustard. And then add the sour cream and stir. The final sauce. Reintroduce the beef and stir in. Here's the final beef stroganoff 1871. And here's the final meal. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.